Halo semuanya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi pada kesempatan kali ini admin coba untuk trading parlay teman-teman ya. Dan di sini admin mulai dari saldo 20 USD dan alhamdulillah sampai di angka 243 USD. Dan untuk teknik yang admin gunakan yaitu teknik SnR ya, cuman teknik SnR. Admin coba parlay dan alhamdulillah tembus sampai jumlah profit sekitar 240 USD. Jadi mari kita simak video sampai selesai dan jangan lupa like dan subscribe-nya.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.